What's that? Why you're here? You should not supposed to hear. Wow, guys, we're in our new house right now, and my baby is playing the lights.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys, I will turn off this now. You to know that it is my pamilya and it's running right now towards the house, and I will lock these guys so that they will not enter. Okay, guys, let's see if they can enter the house, guys. Let's wait. Okay, but I don't hear footsteps in coming upstairs. Maybe they're not going up, so I will check outside again. Oh, no, no human being outside, guys. I think they're going up, but still no footsteps going up. Where are they? My kid, he's here, guys. Kid's ugly. Where are they? My family is running towards the house, but they didn't up. Maybe there's something wrong happened with them. No, maybe I will check. I'm afraid. I hear something going up. I hear it now. I hear, but it stopped. I hear again, going up. They coming, guys. It's 100% sure. 100%. I'm going to prank them, guys. Yeah, this is prank, guys. Just pranking them. I will hold this for 1 minute so that they will angry. I will hold this, guys, so that they will angry. I don't think that they have a key. I don't know. I don't know if they have key. They don't have key, guys. They're angry right now, guys. They're angry. Kasi actually my gila or open. Okay, guys, mission accomplished. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys, this is so very beautiful. Wow. I'm on the spot right now where
my God.
sunset.
Oh my God.
Shut up, please. I'm lagging. I'm on the spot right
Oh
now.
my.
I'm on the spot right now where the sunset and moonset is beautiful. Wow. It's kind of like it has painted with color orange and Crayola. It's a very beautiful, guys, and the birds are flying and to the rooftop and to the poste. Wow, it's so beautiful. Mayroon akong nais malaman. Maaari bang magtanong? Wow, it's so very beautiful, guys, and it's like yellow and a very orange color, and it's mixed up together with color pastel Crayola. Wow, I'm on spot right now where sunset and moonset is wonderful. Oh, it's awesome.